Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope that you guys are all doing great. I am back again with another new video of SQL Learning. In this video, I'm going to show you the use of some arithmetic operators. So let's get going. Okay, here we are. First, I'm going to show you the use of plus. We all know what actually plus operator do. It adds two number. Okay, let's check. Let's say I want to add 11, then we have to put plus sign 11 to 2. Now run it. Let's see. So it's showing us result 13. Now let's see use of minus sign. Select first bracket open, first bracket close, then semicolon, then 12 minus 2. It will show us result 10. Now if we want to multiply one number with another, we have to use asterisk sign, which is shift plus 8. Then let's suggest I want to multiply 12 with 2. Now let's alter plus enter. Now it's showing us 24. And if we want to see quotient or want to see the result of dividing one number with another, then we have to use this sign. Now semicolon at the end, alter plus enter. Okay, I have made mistake. I have to put semicolon at the end. Okay. Okay, as you can see, if we divide 12 with 3, we know the quotient or result will be 4. Now let's try another way. Select, here I'm dividing 14 by 3, and we know the result will be fraction. And you can see 4.6667. And what if we just want to see the remainder part or the residual part, not the fraction? Then we have to do it like this: 14, then we have to put percentile, then the number with which you want to divide this 14. In my case it is 3. Now pressing Alt plus enter, and here it is showing us residual 2. Remainder 2. Okay, let's review it. So far what we have learned: the use of plus, minus, then there is how to multiply one number by another, then how to divide one number with another, and later we have learned what symbol have to use to see the remainder or the residue. That's all in this video. Hope you guys learned how to use arithmetic operator or what symbol to use for certain mathematical operation. I'll be back again with another new video. Till then, take care.